So I'm gonna make this video to show for people who are going to swap an engine, like on this A36. This was a 4-cylinder M43, and then I swapped an M50 engine with the OBD1 port, and I had a problem when I finished the swap and I plugged everything, ECU here, and this is the reading port. This is the feed port that you plug into this one, and you have the fuse box here. Then I had a problem that the car would not start. It would crank, but the engine didn't run. So the problem was that this black wire here, this one, that comes from this wiring box, right next to another black cable, who is a negative. This is a negative, but this black one is a positive, and I had it plugged to the ground, to the chassis, you know. So I had to use this multimeter. I turn it to this 20 volts. It's 20 volts, and then with one wire I touch this cable, right? You know, it's the one that I was trying to find if it was positive or negative, but you can test all the wires. You use it like you touch it, and you touch with the other one in the negative of the battery, you know, to see if there is power in here, because this one is gonna feed the ECU and fuel pump. And I had crank, but I didn't get any spark. My fuel pump was not working, and I checked all the fuses in the box and the relays. Everything was good, but I didn't have any power at the ECU. So this is how I solved my problem, and I get this end.